Good morning. So we're going to the site, and this is going to be a virtual tour. I'll be showing you what is going on site at property currently being developed at Anthony. So see you guys on site. Let's go. Yeah, I know that shortlet is still under construction, not under construction per se, but under renovation. Yes, that's the right word, under renovation. So take a look at that. That is Ikorodu Expressway. So once you go off Ikorodu Expressway, you just go, okay, this is Ikorodu Expressway. So this is a link bridge that takes you all the way behind if you're coming in through the back. Take a look at that. So just imagine you owning a shortlet. Don't just imagine, you need to buy a unit in this shortlet. You need to invest wisely. Take a look at that. You can see the real estate boom is real, and you are getting this offer from none other but CASAFINA Development. As soon as these facilities fully renovated and commissioned, you will be earning nothing less than 25,000 naira per day for any customer who comes in here to use your shortlet apartment. You'll be earning 25,000 naira per day, and we guarantee you 50% occupancy a month, which brings you down to 15 days. We are guaranteeing you half of a month that you're going to get able to make use of your shortlet. Now you still have 15 more days, which means that definitely you'll be earning more than somewhere around 700,000 a month if you can get someone to use your units every day of the month. Take a look at that. Even cryptocurrency doesn't give you that much value. As a matter of fact, it doesn't. It's only real estate that gives you so much value. Take a look at all the companies around here. Then imagine the rooftop lounge right here. So you know that this is going to be an exclusive location, not just for anybody. That's why we're making sure that our facility stands out. It's different from the regular shortlet, one room, single room shortlet. This is a 1-bedroom studio apartment. So it's premium and it's affordable. For just 22 million, you can own one, and you don't have to pay the whole thing at once. With just an initial deposit of 3.5 million, you can tap into this real estate offer. Okay. And I still remain my humble self, Chris Umo, and I'm really enjoying the view. I I'm really enjoying the view from up here. You can see how strategic this location is. It's a premium location that you can hardly find. I won't say you cannot find. What I'll say is that you can hardly get such an offer anywhere else. With just 3.5 million naira, you can key into this real estate offer. And I always advise that you do not spread your payments for so long. Now what we are offering you is 3.5 million naira initial deposit, and if you are spreading the payments plan for over 0 to 6 months, you have a 0% interest. That is the best deal, and I always advise my clients to go for the best deal. Yes, so this is the facility. If you still want something live, I can schedule a live site tour, so I'll show you with the Google map. You know, technology has made everything so easy. Yes, technology has made everything so easy, so I don't need to talk so much. Let me just show you around the site. So that's it right there. You can see all the companies around here. You can see all the companies, and you have the monopoly of owning a unit here. So if I were you and I had the funds, I'll just buy the whole thing outright. So we're right here at flat 22. We just want to show you exactly what you are buying into. So you've seen the structure, you've seen the environment, you've seen some of the locations around here. You can see lots of companies and all of that. So I just want to let you know that around this vicinity, you cannot get a better deal than what we are offering here at CASAFINA. So what you want to do is you want to immediately organize a virtual site tour, a live site tour. So I'm going to take you live from when we leave our office down here. You see it live. What we're doing basically is just to show you that this is not a Ponzi scheme. This is real. All right. Now, as soon as this place is commissioned, as soon as this place is ready and it's commissioned, just take a look at how much you'll be earning by owning a unit or two, by keying in. The difference between investor A and investor B is that investor A keys into the investment early while it's still off plan, or while it is still under construction or under renovation, as the case may be, while investor B wants to wait until it is fully ready, and at that point in time the value of the property is already high. So I advise you to key into flat 22 as soon as possible. See you all at We're waiting for the clients, right? Okay. Okay, these are the That doesn't like. Okay, he's